In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly open the calculator on your Mac using a keyboard shortcut. Now, you can add the calculator app to your dock, but sometimes using a keyboard shortcut is much faster. To get started, open Spotlight Search from the menu bar and search for Automator. Once Automator opens, click New Document. Next, choose Quick Action, then click Choose. Now, in the search box on the left, type Launch Application. When you find it, click and drag Launch Application into the workflow area on the right. From the drop-down menu, select Calculator as the application you want to launch. After that, go to File and click Save. Give your quick action a memorable name. For example, I'll name mine Calculator Keys. Once that's done, you can close Automator. Next, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and open System Settings. Inside System Preferences, click Keyboard. Then, under Keyboard Navigation, click Keyboard Shortcuts. From the menu on the left, click Services. Now scroll all the way down to the General section, and you should see the quick action you just created. Right now, it probably says None, which means no keyboard shortcut has been assigned yet. Double-click on it, and then, now press the keyboard shortcut you want to use. For example, I'm going to press Shift plus Control plus P. As soon as you press the keys, the shortcut will be assigned automatically. You can now close System Preferences. From this point on, whenever you press Shift plus Control plus P, the Calculator app will instantly open. This makes accessing the calculator much faster, and you can even remove it from your dock to keep everything cleaner and less cluttered. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like below, and thanks for watching.